Hello guys, it's part 8, day 2, part 8. So we just stopped in part 8. Oh, part 7 or I don't know, part 7? Yeah, part 7, part 7. So I'm decorating here, there. Oh no, I'm not decorating. I am building. Is this okay? Well, there's gonna be like here. So let's just do it for no reason. So we are just here right now, bro. For unknown reason. He said, oh, what? Like that tall? Bro, it's not that big difference. Yo, what are zombie here? What? Okay, I don't care anymore. So let's just put like this. There we go. How tall is it? One, two, and this. And kung when here you achu like that thing, just ignore it. Because I don't know how to edit it backwards. Hey, should I keep like that? Wait, they're just doing it. They're like that. So impressive parts, they are not like are. Look at this. Something like this. Too small. It's like that. Oh, I'm exposing things. What are you doing? What are you doing? Like that. There we go. How's nice this thing. So we're moving here right now. Because oh, wait guys. I'm doing something that is illegal. It's a prank guys. It's a prank. It's just a prank. Okay? No illegal only. Just a normal day with my dog. You know what I'm saying? It's not that understanding. So guys, I'm gonna just like in here, just like that. This different block here. Using. So it's using a different block. We're using different block here. For the front. Is it not that? No, guys. There's actually no way. No way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You know this too? I'm gonna change it. They're not in their... They're not in their correct... Which one is this? Because I got it wrong all along. Even here. Can you hear, Huy? Like that. Even here, it's like that. You know what I'm doing? It's hard to believe that I am destroying this. Yo, I don't know how to English it so much. So guys, if you're hearing that, yo, so guys, this is bad. They are noisy here. Stop doing here. Just gonna tweet for all, man. Even here. You can talk, but English. My sister is here. My sister-in-law. She punched me. She punched me in my head, but I became smart. Become be smart here again. Brown car. Yo. Yo, I almost destroyed the glass. Let's not destroy the glass. They are useful than you remove. Ouch to me. Just mark it. Mark it. That. So, Raimo. It's mean Araiko means English is ouch to you. Araiko. Guys, if you wanna hear what my Tagalog is, it's really weird because I'm Philippines. So Philippines, yeah. And that is Bisaya. And there are Filipino teachers are here. So you guys in America is English teacher. Okay, because you need to learn English here. You need to learn Filipino. Tagalog. That's why Bisaya is going to be Tagalog. Because they're Filipino. And I have a friend, Tagalog. We're close best friend. Sometimes I made mistake in we fight the precision. It was just like what's that in English, bro? Picon? Position. is way too much. It's being too much, bro. Guys, I'm done talking. So, pause here. You can see white, and I'm just gonna mark this. And there's like this cold, bro. Then why it's raining? It's raining tacos. Ooh, it's raining tacos. It's keep running, guys. It's keep running. So I'm lonely here, so it's okay to be my voice to be like very loud, and there's shh, like that, guys. So that is my sister-in-law. She's punched me, guys. Ouch! Hey, do not punch me again, bro. We're just making prank, guys. She didn't punch me. She just slapped me. What is this? Oh no, bro. What is that? Is this? We need to be woody. Ah! See if yourself is I'm done. I'm not done yet. This is a play, bro. See that? So guys, this step, bro, is distracting me, bro. It's like keep saying I'm done. I'm not done. Because you want to see it. My build so beautiful. Now she's laughing, bro. She's laughing to my build. He didn't even. Guys. Guys, I will show you how she build house. Look. I'm gonna build a house here. This is how he build house. Square. That. No. If beginners start with this, it's different. And a glass around it like this, bro. Like she's like in the shelter like this. A door right here, and like here, like here, and like here. It's been 13 minutes, so it's okay. Like here, guys, like that. She built in a roof here. I'm not gonna continue it, so we cannot break the view of it. And this is not done, guys. You know, the entrance of this mansion in Raid is, I'm gonna be taking long there. I'm not taking videos of it or taking video of it, because the hard thing is here is that I don't know, man. It's hard to believe that at some point you could meet others, but I'm not gonna be at building. Okay. I talk to myself that I'm not good at that building. Like, yeah. If you ask me again, I'm not that good at building. So until now, I know how to. So guys, hear that? Pandisa with cheese in it.